Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today is our second cook on the new Blackstone Griddle, and my daughter's going to help me tonight. We're going to make our version of fried rice and some chicken chunks. So let's get started. I have everything prepped. And right over here, I'm going to put the chicken and get it going. Put a little oil down. Now I'm just going to get this going, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to the next step. And I want to add, I don't have my grill on super high heat. I have it on about medium heat right now. Now I have some diced onion that will go in the rice, and then I have some like onion chunks that will go with the chicken. So we're going to kind of put that on the grill and let it start going too. Let me dump it over the onion chicken. I think everybody's liking my griddle. You see all these hands on it. We'll take the bacon up once it's done, and so it can cool a bit so we can crumble it up. Now I'm going to scrape it just a little bit so we can put the egg on there. I'm going to move the onion back.
Mom, mix it in the onion.
Okay, you want to put it on the onions?
Yes.
Then we put the onions over here?
Yeah. In a pot.
Alright, now goes the egg. Ooh, ooh. Nikki, pour it up there, darling. Hurry. Hurry. Let me do it real quick. I can do it quicker than you. Maybe one day they'll let me cook on it. Now just for our chicken, we just season it ever how we like it. And I have the grill turned down to low. I've cooked my rice, and now we're going to add it to the egg.
You hit the big pepper.
Yep. Now mix it all up. And we'll be crumbling up the bacon and adding the bacon to it. That's my daughter cooking. And I mean, this really didn't take long at all for everything to get done, not even the chicken. And then they put the soy sauce on it, and just that's to your taste too. Alright, we're just heating it through till the rice is warm, everything's warmed up, and we're calling it done. I'll meet you inside. And here's our fried rice. The kids, Ricky used to make this all the time, and my kids and my nephews would name everything, so they named this Rice A-Rollin', and then Famous Chicken. There that is. It did not take long at all on that grill. Usually when they're in here making it, it takes almost 2 hours to do everything one step at a time. This didn't take long at all. So now, time for the taste test. And I thought my daughter did excellent. Okay, Nikki doesn't want on camera, but she's going to try it. How is it? They can't see a thumbs up because you won't let me film you. She's giving it a thumbs up. She loves it. Mitchell's going to try it now.
I already did. It's good.
You like it? Alright, now my turn. Now, I'm just going to get me a bite like this. That's very good. It has a very good taste to it. To me, it tastes better. So, my daughter says it's better than that restaurant that she goes to all the time. And here's our chicken. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and enjoy me doing my new Blackstone Griddle, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope y'all enjoy. Bye, y'all.